The meal was very delicious. I hope that it will don't come up again when I talk about this, what I want to say now. There was a situation that another YouTuber load up a video in the last summer, and the name of the video was a few of the famous YouTube bushcrafter here in Germany, and one of them was me. So, and the person talked in this video about clickbait and that the people at YouTube always want to be higher and it must be always more. And my mistake, said he, is that I was a woman and I showed too often what I had. I had only so much subscribers because I had sex appeal and I showed too much. And yeah, he said that I am so I made a video answer after his video and talk about my opinion, how I see the situation, because under this video there was a few people that are writing very, very bad. So they say words that I won't even take into my mouth and speak it out. So very, very bad. And he give every one of these comments a heart, and so let the people know that this is okay what they said about me. And yeah, this is the one point. This was in the last summer, and after this video there is a group of people that had nothing better to do as finding mistakes in my videos and talk about it, what I do wrong, and yeah, searching for everything what is bad at Vanessa Blanc. These persons make videos about me where they talk what bad and terrible person I am and which mistakes they found and where is clickbait and all of these things. And they have communities where they talk only about me. So this is not privacy, everyone can see this. And it doesn't matter when they talk about me, because yeah, I am not anyone in country. So I am Vanessa Blanc and I am on YouTube. It is absolutely clear to me when I am a person in public that there are people that talk about me. It is absolutely okay, and I know that there are people that don't like me. I don't know why, but it is okay. It is their opinion. But when they talk such bad words about me and tell things that aren't true, this is a point, this is not okay. Not at home, not at privacy, and not in public. I tell you this only because of the one reason that some of you that watch my videos and are my subscribers are writing me sometimes messages that they see that someone write bad about me. At the most time I do nothing when I read bad things about me, or when someone sent me a message and tell what they said to me. But there are a few things they said and write that are character assassination, and a few times are for the police, because some of them wrote that they want to come and hurt me and they want to do bad things with me. So but at the most time I don't say it anything, not in a video, and not to the people self that tell these things. I had no idea why those people do this. When I am not agree with some opinions from the other people, or if I don't like them, I don't have to say it in the World Wide Web. And I don't want to hurt anyone, and especially not in the World Wide Web. When I have a problem with someone, I can tell him this directly and normal, and I don't have to use bad words and do things in the World Wide Web where nobody knows who I am, from where I am, and all of these things. I make a video about haters from YouTuber, why they are haters, what they do and what YouTuber can do. But I'm not really sure if I should make it online or not, because I'm not the person that talk bad about other people, and I think that a YouTuber can let it be that there are people that don't like him or her, and give them not more attention than the haters. But there are some things, what they talk, what they write and said, and where I say this is not okay, and I have to say something to the person and to the people who read or see this, and said that this is not true and this is not okay. I don't know. Should I do this? Should I pack the problem like a tree and cut it down and said everything and everyone what happened, or should I do it not, because so they get more attention? What do you think about this? Should I say something to the hater and to the people who are behind the haters, or should I let it like it is and said nothing? What do you think? I am so happy that I wear my Sasta jacket today. when I was at home, I think what jacket I should wear. And first I want to wear a jacket that is not so... it is a summer jacket. And I am glad that I don't wear it now, because when the sun is away it is so cold. But at the day when the sun is so warm, I think don't wear those winter stuff. Put your clothes down, the sun is out, and then when the sun is away it is getting really cold. So it is now enough of my wool, what is the word, not, what is under the jacket? We said pullover. Is it pullover in English too? I don't know. But now it is enough. But when my jacket was a little bit thinner, it will be too cold. But now it is exactly perfect. It was a nice day today. I am happy that I found the wild garlic. So I am always thankful for those presents of the nature. That makes me happy when I found things like that. So, and I go now to bed. I'm very interested how good my new sleeping bag is. It feels very comfortable. The cotton, it is like a summer blanket. So I think it would be a good night. No owls and no other wild animals here that making noise. It can be a very good night. Good night. We hear and see us tomorrow. What a beautiful way to wake up. Hear the voice of the birds. Other had a morning call with the voice of the birds and simulated sunshine, and I have it in real life. Nice way to wake up. I'm so happy that the spring is there and the birds are back. Finja is still awake. She was very good tonight. Sleep well, make no noise. Perfect. I sleep really well tonight. No noises, nothing hurts, everything perfect. And I think when I wake up and the sun is shining and the birds making music, there can't be a better start in the day as like this. But now it is time for breakfast. I want to make a small fire and have a warm breakfast. When I am outside alone, there is always a little risk that something can happen. It is a risk that I am alone in the woods as a woman. So honestly, I must be that I say this. It is not always so easy like it looks, and it can be very dangerous too, but it don't must to be dangerous. And then there is the point that I am always alone outside, and I thought many times, what is when something happened to me? What is when I don't feel safe? What is when I hurt myself, I broke my leg or something else? What is then? It is that I must always have my mobile phone on, and I must have a connection with the World Wide Web, that my family can tell me if something has happened. I had my family at home, the animals, the farm, so I have to be available. Yeah. So, and this isn't always possible with my mobile phone. There are some areas and that I can't make a call, I can't make messages, and nobody can call me. So I choose my camp place always with the option, can I take a call? And when not, this is not my place. So, and I see at the ISPO in Munich an interesting thing. It is this year. This is the Spot X. This is a two-way messenger with satellite, and I can send messages with it, and I can get messages, and it has a tracking function. So if I give someone my password, he can check where I am actually, and are I am moving, or is it stand still, and I can send every one of my contacts an OK message. I only have to put a button, and then they know it is everything okay. They don't have to be worried. And also an important thing is that I have here an SOS button. if something happened to me, I can press it, and there is an international not on brand, I don't know the right word. There are people that get this call and they see exactly my position, where I am. And so they can send a rescue team, and it's not important where I am, if I am here in Bavaria or in South Africa or in Canada. It is for worldwide. And I see it at the ISPO, and I talk with the people from the Sport X, and now I have one to try it, and maybe this is the right thing for me, that I can go in areas where I can't make a call with the mobile phone. I only have to, satellite is everywhere around of the world. There are only a few points like caves or something else where it is not possible to stay in contact with my family and friends. So now I would try it. I just look where Finja is. I would try it, and maybe it's the right for me. When I think it is good, but I will try it a little bit longer. I make a review about it, maybe you are interested in, and yeah, we will see. I tell it to you. Come here. Fine. Yeah, fine. It is always fun to be outside with a dog. I don't have both with me because this is too much and they won't be silent together. But one, I feel safer, so, and it is nicer if I have a companion. I enjoy the silence so much. The only thing that breaks the silence is Finja, with her noises like a wild boar. She's always grabbed somewhere, and then she had her nose full of earth, and then she make this noise. Terrible. Anyone who watch my video and don't know that I have a dog with me think, what is this for a noise? I can sit here now for hours just listening to the birds. The sun is coming over in a few minutes, and then it will be here really warm and nice. But I have to go. But I think that it is time for a several days trip. So when I am outside for one night, there is not always enough time to make something special, like building something, and I can more relax if I had more time. So I want to go out in the next week for more days. It could be great. The sun is not here at this moment, and so it is a little bit fresh and cold. I want to go back into the hammock, into the sleeping bag, and don't come out till it is afternoon. but it is not possible. Yeah. The sleeping comfort in the Grüezi natural sleeping bag is really great. It feels like a light summer cotton blanket. Yeah. It is really warm. I was tonight in the comfort, not exactly in the comfort zone of the sleeping bag, but it was warm enough, and the feeling inside is really great. It feels like go inside and never want to come out. Yeah, I love it. So, everything is ready, packed now. Finja, right? It was a great trip, but now there is the end. Let's go. Gehen wir heim? Ja. It is time to go. It was a great overnight and a great area. It was very relaxing because it was so peaceful. So this is enough for the next days to to have a relaxed deport inside. So thank you for watching. All my equipment you find here in the video description, like every time. I hope we see us again at the next video. Have a great time. Bye bye.